Happy Friday, everyone. Today, for our ELA lesson, you will be working in your reader's notebook on page 50 on sequence of events. So I have these cards here just to give you an example of what sequence of events is. That tells us the order in which things are done. So for this first line, down here, I'm going to read the little story, and these pictures show the order of the events in the story. Mr. Bear makes a cup of tea. He grabs his pillow and his book and walks into his bedroom. Before Mr. Bear goes to sleep, he reads his book in bed. So the sequence of events. First, Mr. Bear makes a cup of tea. Next, he grabs his pillow and his book and walks into his bedroom. And last, he reads before he goes to sleep. First, next, last. Here's another example. It is raining and Stephanie needs to walk to school. She grabs her yellow boots and her rain jacket. Stephanie opens up her umbrella and begins to walk in the rain. She asks her friend if she would like to walk under her umbrella with her. So in a case of sequence of event, we would say, first it is raining and Stephanie needs to walk to school, so she grabs her yellow boots and her rain jacket. Next, she opens up her umbrella and begins to walk in the rain. And last, she asks her friend if she would like to walk under her umbrella with her. So in our practice book page that we're working on, it has to do with the story we read, Zinnia's Flower Garden. And I will tell you then, and just pause this recording to switch to that page. So here is the practice book page you'll be doing, page 50, sequence of events. And this is based on the story we read, Zinnia's Flower Garden, which if you need to, you can always go back to Think Central and look under the big books and click on lesson 23 in the story. So we know that first in the story, Zinnia digs in the soil and plants seeds. Next, Zinnia waters the seedlings and pulls weeds. So what you're going to do is draw a picture here of what happens last. Now what you can do is go back, look through the book again. Remember, we're talking about what happened last in the story. So you would want to look near the end of the story to see what happens. And you would draw your picture there. I'll ask your parents if they can send me a picture of your picture that you drew. That would be great. But that is what sequence of events is. And we'll be learning more about this as well. All right? So this is it for Friday. Have fun, enjoy your weekend, and I will see you all on Monday.